my worst nightmare. Why? Because my skin tend to get so dry, patchy, uneven skin, plus fine lines. Until I found my perfect product. It is a Phyto-Repair Advanced Cell Repair Moisturizer by Earth Rhythm. It is a natural vitamin C derived from corn and is known for its abilities in skin brightening and anti-aging. It easily penetrates into the skin and inhibits melanin formation. It is essential for synthesis of collagen and it's an antioxidant which helps reduce wrinkles and skin damage. I used this wonder product for at least 15 days and I saw visible beautiful changes in my skin. My dryness went away, my wrinkles started minimizing. It is a complete wonder product and highly recommended for everybody. Thank you so much, Earth Rhythm.